Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Net, a self-taught baker, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make these DIY gummy bears. Super easy to make, only 3 ingredients. So if you enjoy quick and easy recipes, please do me a favor and hit the like down below, and if you have any questions you can also leave it down in the comment section and I will get right back to you. Also, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so and joining the family. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So here go all the ingredients you will need. But if you look down in the description box, you can also see where I listed the ingredients and as well as the recipe. So the first thing we're going to do is add our 1 cup of juice, and you can use whatever type of juice you like. I'm using peach juice for the first flavor, and then I may also be using some apple cranberry for the second flavor. Now we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of honey, or you could use whatever type of sweetener you like. I see a lot of people using sugar, but I just wanted to go the healthier route because my kids are eating these. So now we're just going to bring everything over to the stove and just mix everything well until we get some bubbles. Now that our juice and honey is nice and hot, we're going to go ahead and remove this off the stove. And now we're going to add our unflavored gelatin to our mix. And if I was to do anything different, it's not to use this strainer, being that the steam was coming up, making it stick to the strainer. Just add it one at a time, a little bit at a time, and just continue to stir until it's well incorporated, adding all 4 packets. Now I'm going to be filling up my gummy bear molds, and you could get these off of Amazon. I will be sure to link a link down below so that way you can check it out if you're interested in making this recipe. But it's super easy. Just continue to fill all the molds until they're filled, and then we're just going to let these sit out for about 30 minutes before refrigerating. So right here I'm just going to do the same with the second flavor.
Either the hit is so higher or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite.
So after letting these set for about 30 minutes, we're going to go ahead and sit these into the refrigerator for about 2 hours. But luckily with the magic of edit, you don't have to wait that long. So now that it's been 2 hours, we're going to go ahead and remove our gummy bears from our mold.
I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Other niggas, I'll be right by your side. 2005, hold up, 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 hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Other niggas, I'll be right by your side. 2005, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
And just like that, we made ourselves some homemade DIY gummy bears. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I hope you found this video helpful, and stay tuned as I create more delicious recipes. So until the next video, y'all stay safe out there, and peace.
And when I'm long gone, whole crew singing swan song. Cause we all just ticking time bombs. Got a Lambo like LeBron's mom. And no matter where all of my friends go, Emily, Fam, and Lorenzo, all of them people my kinfolk. At least I think so. Can't tell. Cause when them checks clear, they're not here. Cause they don't care. It's kinda sad, but I'm laughing. Whatever happens, assassins are stabbed in the back of my cabin. Labrador yapping, I'm glad that it happened. I mean it, between us, I think there's something special. And if I lose my mental, just hold my hand. Even if you don't understand, hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Other niggas, I'll be right by your side. 2005, hold up, 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 hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone. Hold up, hold up, hold up. love.